Hello, Mai. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Very good. Oh, I don't know why Sarah is not here yet. Anyway, tonight we are going to have a new material again. Okay. So, anyway, how are you tonight, Mai?
I'm happy.
Oh, very good. What is the weather in your place?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Very good. All right. So for this, oh, Sarah is already here. Oh, is that you? Hello, Sarah. Is that you?
No, I don't know.
Oh, this one. Who's Christina? Hi, Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Good evening. Is that you? Oh, anyway, Mai. Okay. How's the weather in your
Okay.
place?
Uh, Sunny and rainy.
Sunny and rainy at the same time. Oh, so it's like a good
In
combination. Uh-huh.
in the morning it's sunny. In afternoon is rainy.
I understand. So it's actually the same kind of weather here in my place during the day. It's so hot because it was so sunny, but when in the afternoon it rains so hard. So even up until now, it's raining here in my place. Anyway, for tonight, we are now here in Unit 1. I mean, we're going to start with Unit 1, which is actually all about me. Okay, so let me ask you this warm up questions, Mai. So, what do you look like? Yes, Mai.
Yes.
What do you look like?
I I is very tall. I has black. I has a long black hair.
Very good. Okay, so by just those two descriptions about yourself, you actually answered the question, what do you look like, correctly. So, great job on that one. Mai. Okay, so look at the second question. What type of person are you? So how will you answer this question, Mai? Yes, Mai?
Yes.
So what type of person are you, Mai? How will you answer that question? Hello, Mai?
Hello, teacher.
Oh, so yes, it is actually Sarah. So Sarah is now Christina. By the way, by the way, Sarah, you're very choppy. You're still choppy, Sarah. Okay, so anyway, Mai, to answer this question, what type of person are you? So it is actually asking you about your personality, your character. How are you as a person? For example, okay, describe your character. You can say, I'm a talkative type of person. I'm introvert. That means you don't like to socialize with other people. You're not talkative like that. You can also say, I'm I am a strict type of person. I'm kind, I'm generous, I'm trustworthy. So yes, you can use as much as adjectives that you want to describe yourself. So this is how we answer this question. What type of person are you? Now let's start with Sarah. So Sarah, okay, what type of person are you?
Yes. Um, my person is a child.
You are a child. Of course, you are a child. But what type of child are you? Like, are you the good child? Are you the bad child? Are you the smart child? Are you the hardworking child? Are you the child who gives headache to your parents? Like that. So, what type of person are you? So, again, if you are asked with what type of person are you, that means we are asking about your character. So when we say character, this actually describes your personality or your behavior as a person. Do you get it, Sarah and Mai? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Okay, now Mai, are you ready? What type of person are you?
Teacher, speak again. I don't.
This one. What type of person are you? Hello, Mai. Okay, so Sarah, what about you? What type of person are you? Oh, hello, Mai and Sarah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me give you an example on how
One.
to answer this question. Again, if you are asked with this question, so this is simply asking about your character. Do you know what character means, Sarah and Mai? Do you know what character is? Hello? Oh, hello, Mai. Do you know what character is? Hello, Mai. I cannot hear you. Hello, Mai. Can you hear me? Oh, Sarah. I don't know why. It's probably your internet connection, Sarah and Mai. So anyway, Sarah, so if somebody would ask you the question, what type of person are you? Then this is simply asking about your character. Are you paying attention, Sarah? Okay, so Sarah, what is a character? Hello, Sarah. What is a character? Hello, Sarah.
Hello, teacher.
All right, so I want you to pay attention to our class. So do you know what a character is? Do you know what a
Uh,
character is? Yes or no? I cannot hear you well, Sarah.
a person in my family.
No. Okay, so you, since unit one is all about me, then who is me? When you say me, that means yourself. If I'm talking about myself, then me is me. Okay, so since this is all about me or all about you, you have to tell me about yourself. So, okay, so let's go back with the first question. So, these are just warm up questions, Sarah. So, number one, what do you look
I
like?
don't hear you.
Oh, it's actually your internet
Don't
connection.
hear. I don't hear you.
I can hear you very well. I can actually hear you very well, Sarah. So I think that it's your internet connection because I just had my first class tonight with my previous student, and so far it was good. We successfully ended the class. Yes, can you hear me well now, Sarah? Can you hear me well now, Sarah?
No. Hmm. Hồi đáng rồi. Ê, okay.
Oh, Sarah, I want you to, if you cannot hear me, I want you to join again. Exit and join, then check your internet connection or change into your mobile data. Okay, can you hear me well now? Can you hear me? Hello, Sarah. Can you hear me? Okay, so here, Sarah, I want you to tell me, what do you look like? Hello, Sarah. Oh, I'm sorry, Sarah, but I cannot really hear you well. Hello, Sarah. Can you hear me?
Về nhà em làm cái em hoàn chỉnh cái tóc mà để
Hello, Sarah. Can you hear me?
sao mà em mong của mai là chị không nhớ thì có gì trước tới đây em nói chị gửi cho
Hello,
em cái
Sarah.
hỏi thứ hai em hỏi cho xong nó
Hello,
sẽ lấy xuống
Sarah.
luôn chị có gì đang gì cái này tụi nghe cái
Can you hear me?
nhớ mà nghĩ tay em kêu là à, em đưa chân vô sợ dạ
Hello, Sarah. Sarah, actually, I cannot hear you well, and you keep on
không
leaving and entering.
chị yêu chị phải ngủ ngon nha ngủ ngon nhỉ trời cái bụng nó mềm lắm luôn á chị chán não luôn nè oh wow đi ăn không anh ơi cho tụi Duyên nó xe còn ăn
Hello, Sarah.
không anh mai cho sữa và cho 6 sữa lần đã chị ơi à, em nhéo bụng nó nhìn em không gần nha
Hello, Sarah.
Hello.
Oh, what's wrong?
I don't know. I can see the screen.
But can you hear me well?
Yes.
Like, what's the matter earlier?
I don't know.
Yeah, so it was probably your internet connection. So actually, we didn't do much today again. So it's just a waste of time. So Sarah, next time, before you join the class, I want you to check your internet connection, check your microphone, check the device that you're going to use. Then I encourage you to go to our to attend our Zoom link on time, or at least 1 minute before our class. Since our class starts at 8:30, then I encourage you to join by 8:29.
Em
If
mở
I
tủ
still have a class on that time, just wait.
Ơi,
All right,
con
Sarah?
nghe vô. Ừ.